Hey, we have a problem. You never got back to me on whether or not you know somebody who can do that magical flute-like whistling, and we're running out of time in our echo chamber because next week they're putting in the carpet, and you know what happens then? Our echo will go down the toilet. So we have to take advantage of it now. And I think you've left me no choice but to be left to my own devices, being my grandfather's Hohner harmonica, to take advantage of this echo. I'm not very good at it, but we'll see. I'll limber up the lips. I don't know. My grandfather apparently was amazing on the harmonica, but I didn't know him at that part of his life. So, on the porch swing in Stevens Point, I'm going to have to leave that memory to my grandma and my mom, but can you imagine if he was here playing this harmonica? It would sound awesome. We are getting there. Trim work and stuff like that. The furnace, if you could see in that room, is functional and up and running. Hair dryer or fan, you decide. In the other part of the construction area, the cabinets are in the storage room. The tile's down in the breezeway, and there's all of our trim to go on after the carpet gets put in. This is the internet cafe. The countertop is in, and the tile's down. Another thing that got finalized this week, there's the toilet. Hey, it's good equipment to have.